exciting news. I've been featured in the September edition of the Irish Music Magazine. Woo! Now this was a surprise to me because I thought I was only going to be featured in the August edition, but they're like, hey, can we do an interview with you? And I'm like, oh my gosh, yes. So on page 40 here is a one-page interview with John O'Regan, and it's all about Decade. So I talk about a bit of the making of it and the inspiration and all the love and passion that went into it. So you can see that there's a picture of me here in the ILAC library recording pod, and a picture of the album cover. So yeah, you could get your copy today. It's a little late for me to tell you about this, but they are still selling copies. They're €10 each. And yeah, this is such an honor to be featured among some of the best in Irish traditional music, and what a cool bonus surprise to have that interview in there. So just letting you know. And yeah, once again, it's a huge honor, and thank you so much for following my journey. It means so much to me. Cheers!